In this video, I am going to show you how to delete Grok chat history. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead, open up your browser. After that, just go to Grok. As you can see, then just click on this tab right here, which is the history. And from here, you can see all the chat history you had. There is the edge button and the delete button as well. So if you want to delete a chat history, just go to the right side of it, then click on the bin right there. And do this for the exact chat you want because there is no restoring chat history. So now you can click on New Chat and start your new chat here. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.